All right, to add or subtract radicals, we need to have the same power on the radical, which we do. We have 5 on each of them. We also need to have the same radicand, the thing on the inside here. So I need to simplify these all down to see if they become the same radicand. The fifth root of 6 is just 2 times 3. There are no ways of simplifying that. 64 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 6. So the fifth root of 2 to the power of 6 is the same thing as the fifth root of 2 to the fifth power times the fifth root of 2. 2 to the fifth times 2 is 2 to the sixth. So of course that gives me 2 times the fifth root of 2. Okay, 192. 192 can break up into, let's see, I can divide a 3 out of there. 3 can go to 19 6 times, with 1 remaining, 1 and 12, 3 can go to 12 4 times, so 64. And I already know how 64 breaks up. It's 2 fifth root of 2. And this 3 still remains there. So the fifth root of 192 is the same thing as the fifth root of 3 times the fifth root of 64. We already actually calculated the fifth root of 64. That's what this is here. This is the same thing as 2 times the fifth root of 2. So we have the fifth root of 3 times 2 times the fifth root of 2. And 3 times 2 is the fifth root of 6. So we have 2 fifth root of 6. Okay, now 64, once again, we've already calculated that. It's going to be 2 fifth root of 2 there. So this one hasn't changed at all. That's still 3 times the fifth root of 6. The fifth root of 64 is 2 times the fifth root of 2. And right here, we can see that these are not like terms. They have the same power on the radical, but they have different radicands, 6 and 2. Okay, this one's plus 2 times 192. 192 is just 2 fifth root of 6. So 2 times this is going to be 4 fifth root of 6. This and this are like terms. And then finally, 2 fifth root of 64, that's going to be, fifth root of 64 is this. So again, negative 2 times 2 is going to be negative 4 fifth root of 2. And this are like terms. Okay, 3 plus 4 is 7 fifth root of 6. And then minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 fifth root of 2. And that is the best we can do.